Welcome to part 3 of our Thai milk tea series, hot Thai milk tea series. In today's clip, I am going to show you how you can start a business using just very simple ingredients with very minimum investment, selling hot Thai milk tea in the winter months. So you can actually start your business with just what you see in front of me. You need a kettle to boil your water. You need 2 jugs. I'm using 2 different types of jug today. One is the typical jug that is used in Thailand, and the second one is using a plastic jug just so that you can see the color of the brewed Thai tea when we do the pour over method. So this is a very simple procedure using pour over, and we are going to use a tea sock strainer to strain the tea. And because this is a Thai milk tea, I'm using this Chao brand, which is probably one of the most accessible Thai tea brand that you can find in the market. You can use any other brand that you have available to you. And we are going to need condensed milk. So very simple ingredients. Now, when you sell this, I would suggest that you sell this in 2 cup sizes. One is 6 ounces. So if you would like to sell this very quickly, and normally I'd rather have this when it is very small in size, so 6 ounces is just perfect for me. This cup is 6 ounces with an ear here to handle or to hold the cup, and very simple. Put your brewed Thai tea, condensed milk, and serve. Or you can serve it in a bigger cup, which is 12 ounces. So this one here with the lid, so this is a little bit more premium. You can use paper cups for this. But because I am going to show you how it looks like when they are made or when they're prepared, I'm going to use a 6 ounce glass cup here, equivalent to this 6 ounce paper cup. And I'm going to use a 12 ounce glass here, equivalent to 12 ounces. Okay, so let's start by first brewing our Thai tea. I'm going to use a largest tea sock strainer here, and I'm going to use a scoop. 1 scoop is equivalent to 4 teaspoons. This is not a tablespoon. This is 1 scoop. Okay, so for a 1 liter batch, I'm going to use 6 scoops of my Thai tea. So I'll put them straight into my tea sock strainer. 1, 6. We need it to be a really strong brew. Okay, now I'm going to use hot water, 1 liter. So I'm going to use my pitcher here to measure 1 liter. Okay, that's about almost exactly the size of my kettle here. And we're going to start by pouring over from one jug to another. So the way to do it is first you pour some, let it bloom for a bit, maybe just wait about 5 to 10 seconds. And then we are going to pour low and high, and then low. The jug is a little bit bigger here, so be careful. Do not make a lot of mess when you make this. Okay, and then move to the other jug. Okay, so pour high and then low. After you have done 5 pour overs, leave your tea sock strainer there for a while. Let's prepare our drinks. So I'm going to start with the 6 ounces cup, equivalent to this paper cup. So for 6 ounces, I'm going to use 20 ml of my sweetened condensed milk. Put it at the bottom of your glass, and then we are going to pour our brewed Thai tea just to the top of this cup or glass. And this is your hot Thai milk tea using a 6 ounce cup. Now, how do you serve it? Do you serve it like this? Especially if you're serving it in a paper cup where you cannot really see the layers there. Because you're not serving this with a spoon, I would suggest that you stir it, ready for your customer to drink. Look at that beautiful color. And I can guarantee this is absolutely satisfying. Okay, so this is how you serve it. So if I were to put it in a 6 ounce cup, let's have a look at how it looks like. So there it is, just about the right amount. Next, for our 12 ounce cup, which is equivalent to this 12 ounce paper cup, I am going to use 40 ml of my sweetened condensed milk. So really that is double the size of the 6 ounce cup. And then I am going to pour my hot brewed Thai tea over. Fill it to the top. And once again, you can serve it like this if you're serving it in a clear glass. But if not, then I would suggest that you stir. And ready to serve. Okay, let's put it into our 12-ounce paper cup. There you go. Put the lid on and serve. Now, wasn't that very easy? So you can start your business selling hot Thai milk tea in the winter months. Now, let me just give this a try. The strong brewed Thai tea is balanced by the sweetness of that condensed milk. Absolutely delicious. This is perfect for when it's raining outside, when it is cold outside. You can sell this definitely in events, especially during the evening events and also midnight mass. Well, that's all I would like to share with you today. If you have any questions about any of these recipes from part 1 to part 3 of this hot Thai milk tea series, do let me know in the comment below. Don't forget to check out my book, All Things Milk Tea, Recipes of Thai Milk Tea are in there. So make sure you check it out. Details on how to order in the description box below. Click that subscribe button. Also, click the notification bell so you get notified every time I publish a new video. Stay safe, stay tuned, stay warm. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.